How to make homemade coconut water milkshake with strawberry juice. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes in Cookeries channel. Today, we have a refreshing and healthy treat for you, a homemade coconut water milkshake with strawberry juice. It's perfect for a hot summer day or whenever you're in the mood for something delicious and hydrating. Let's dive right into the ingredients and preparation. For this delicious and nutritious milkshake, you'll need the following ingredients. 1 cup of fresh strawberries, cleaned and whole. 1 cup of coconut water. Half cup of plain yogurt, you can use dairy or non-dairy yogurt. 2 tablespoons of honey, adjust to taste. A handful of ice cubes. Fresh mint leaves for garnish, optional. Now, let's move on to the preparation. 1. Prepare the strawberries. Take your fresh strawberries and give them a good rinse under cold water. 2. Blend the strawberries. Place the cleaned strawberries into your blender. 3. Add coconut water. Pour in 1 cup of coconut water. 4. Yogurt time. Add half cup of plain yogurt to the blender. 5. Sweeten it up. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of honey, or adjust the amount according to your sweetness preference. 6. Ice it down. Toss in a handful of ice cubes to make the milkshake nice and cold. 7. Blend away. Now, it's time to blend everything together. It should only take a minute or so. 8. Serve it up. Pour the milkshake into a chilled glass. 9. Garnish, optional. For that extra touch, you can garnish with a sprig of fresh mint. And there you have it, your homemade coconut water milkshake with strawberry juice. It's a fantastic combination of fresh strawberries, hydrating coconut water, and creamy yogurt, making it a perfect summer treat. Here are some of the key benefits of consuming coconut water. Hydration. Coconut water is an excellent natural electrolyte, making it a great choice for rehydration. It contains essential minerals like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, which help replenish electrolytes lost through sweating. Low in calories. Coconut water is relatively low in calories compared to many other beverages, making it a good choice for those watching their calorie intake. Rich in potassium. Coconut water is packed with potassium, which is essential for maintaining proper muscle and nerve function. Adequate potassium intake may help regulate blood pressure and prevent muscle cramps. Antioxidant properties. It contains antioxidants that can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Improved digestion. Coconut water contains fiber, which can aid in digestion and prevent constipation. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our multi-recipes and Cookeries channel for more delicious recipes and food inspiration. Also, leave us a comment and let us know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers to a refreshing, healthy drink.